Hey guys, today I'm gonna test this camera so you can see the quality of the video and also the audio. This is the GH88, or sometimes you're just gonna find a different name like H88, and the resolution is the same. This one is 1080p. Sometimes you just see 4K for some cameras, right? But the idea is just test here how the camera works with this device here, with this accessory, and I can just hang the camera on my chest. So the idea here is just bring the small camera, put it here. You see it's a magnetic one. Then I'm gonna hang here on my chest and I'm gonna walk, and I can compare with the filming camera with this one here so you see the difference, right? I'm gonna just turn it on. So just press and hold to turn it on. There we go. So the camera is on. When I press here one more time, it's going to start recording, right? And also I'm going to connect to my phone here. To connect to the phone, I just need to press twice. And then I can find here on my phone. I already did this on a different video, so you can watch the video to learn more about how to connect the camera to the phone, right? But I'm connected to the phone right now, so I can see here as well from the phone, and I can also start recording, okay? So let me just show you this one here on my chest. Gonna put it that way here. You see this way, right? I'm gonna just put this inside. It goes here, so I can have the camera just right here. And let's just walk and take a look. Okay guys, so the body cam is recording right now, and also recording here with this DJI camera. So basically you can compare the difference between the cameras, okay, and also the audio. So I'm just walking around and you can hear also the cars. And let's just keep changing the audio from one camera, from the DJI camera to this body camera. The DJI camera is a professional camera, of course. You're gonna hear better audio and also image because the DJI has stabilization and the body camera doesn't, right? There we go. You can see here the pool. It's a good image overall, considering the tag price of this camera. I'm just walking. You can check and compare the stabilization, also the audio. You can hear more of the audio right now. It's a windy day, so you're gonna hear a lot of wind, a lot of noise. Let me just run a little bit so you can see how it works when I'm running. So running right now with both cameras, so you can compare. You can also hear my voice. Just stopping, turning around. There we go. Running one more time. There we go. Running and talking at the same time, so you can compare the audio quality. The camera is just in the middle of my chest, so it shakes a little bit. There's no stabilization, and I can see the image on my cell phone, so it still looks good. You see here that I can check the image with my cell phone, right? Still works pretty good, right? So guys, you can get this camera on Amazon, right? I'll leave the link here in the description. Please let me know here on the comments what you think. You're gonna get the one with 1080p or with 4K. You think it's good enough? Audio and video. Please let me know, and just click on my link so you can contribute with the channel, right? And this body cam has no stabilization, right? You just open the gate here so I can leave this place. You can also hear the audio. There we go. So a little bit shaky, of course. Again, there's no stabilization, and it's also a windy day, so you're probably gonna have a hard time to listen to me sometimes, depending on the wind. When the wind hits the camera, probably will not hear me well. I'm just testing right now, walking so you can see the image. And I'm gonna get into a building right now, so you can see the difference. When I get into a building, it changes the light, right? So approaching the building right now. Let me just get inside. There we go. Walking up the stairs. You can see the image, and you can also hear my voice and compare. Probably you're gonna hear some echo because I'm hearing some echo myself. Okay. All the way up. But it still looks good, right? Camera's here on my chest. It's pretty discreet. There we go. It's a little bit shaky because comparing to the DJI, which has stabilization, that of course is going to be different. So here I see the difference in lights as well, because it's just a hallway, and then there's a light back there, and it's dark in the hallway. I'm a little bit tired because I was running, but you can compare my voice on the body cam and also my voice in the DJI cam. There we go. Still walking here. Now you can compare the different images. That's what we can see with this camera, right? With the video and also with the audio. There we go. Now I'm at home. And that's the image that you can see from an apartment. Here's my cat. And the quality, I think, is still good, considering the tag price of this camera, okay? So I hope that helps. You can just get your camera on Amazon. Click here on my link so you can contribute to the channel, right? And give your thumbs up. See you in the next one.